In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add people as a friend on PayPal. If you want to keep someone saved in PayPal so it's easier to send or request money from them again later, the process is very simple. PayPal doesn't always use the word friend in the same way some social apps do, but once you complete a transaction with someone, they're typically added to your contacts automatically. That makes future payments much faster and more convenient. To get started, open the PayPal app or go to the PayPal website and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Send and Request section. This is the area where PayPal lets you either send money to someone or ask them to send money to you. After that, go to the Send or Request tab. Depending on the version of the app or website you're using, the layout may look slightly different, but the wording is usually very similar. The important thing is that you enter the area where you can search for a person you want to interact with. Now type in the other person's email address, name, or phone number. Use whichever detail you have available and make sure it matches the information connected to their PayPal account. Once you find the correct person, you'll need to complete a transaction with them. That means either sending them money or requesting money from them. This part matters because simply searching for someone may not always save them to your account right away. After you've transacted with that person, PayPal will usually add them to your contacts automatically. So the next time you want to send or request money, you may be able to find them more quickly without needing to enter all their details again. This is especially helpful if you make regular payments to the same people. One quick tip: always double-check that you're selecting the correct person before completing any transaction, especially if you're searching by name. Similar names can appear in search results, so it's a good idea to confirm the email or phone number before moving forward. And that's all there is to it. By going to Send and Request, opening the Send or Request tab, entering the person's details and completing a transaction, you can effectively add them to your PayPal contacts for easier use in the future.